this video, I will show you how to add bookmark manually. So this is the file in which we are going to add bookmark. Click on the bookmark option, then click on new bookmark and give the name like air mobility. Then press enter, then click on the page thumbnail. Then the air mobility is on the business page. So this is the business page, and you can see here is the air mobility. You can reduce the size of the thumbnail so that it will only show air mobility on the main page. Then click on the new bookmark, then click on the option, then set bookmark destination. It is asking, are you sure you want to set the destination of the selected bookmark to the current location? You can select on yes. Similarly, see another example. So suppose you want to add bookmark, then click on new bookmark, then give the name sports. Click enter, and this is the sports page. So I am going to show this picture and this page. So I am going to add bookmark to this section of the page. So click on thumbnail, and you can see this is the section. It has already been selected. Then click on the new bookmark, then click on the thumbnail, then set bookmark destination. Then again it will ask, are you sure you want to set the destination of the selected bookmark to the current location? Click yes. Just let's check the bookmark. Click on the air mobility. You can see the air mobility has been linked here, and when you click on the sports, you can see the sports section. We can also move this bookmark to the upward or downward as per the needs. Like, let this bookmark be moved upward, then release the mouse. You can see sports has been moved. Let's bring this word to the down at the bottom. So select and drag it to the bottom.